Would you like some great pumpkin recipes? It's that perfect time of year for some tasty pumpkin treats. And what's often popular is healthy holiday cookies, low-carb, sugar-free cookies, and even gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free cookies. So keep watching. In this video, I'll be showing you one of my favorite fall recipes, pumpkin cookies. And these cookies are even flourless. You won't believe how delicious these are, and without flour at all. I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie. I'm a holistic nutritionist, certified aromatherapist, certified functional health coach, and author, and I am an essential oil enthusiast and educator. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you will be notified every time I post a new video. I have been teaching about the importance of gut health for over 3 decades now. And today I'm really excited to share with you one of my easy pumpkin desserts with few ingredients. That's also great for gut health too. Make sure you stick around to the end to get the chance to grab my Happy Gut Desserts ebook that not only includes some of my favorite tasty and healthy desserts, but they're gut-friendly too. But before I jump into this video, I would like to hear what your most important healthy food alternatives are in the comments below. Maybe it's gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free recipes, or even low-carb desserts, keto recipes, foods bad for gut health, and so on. With more and more documentation on the significance of gut health in relationship to our overall health, diet becomes a very important matter, and especially with the holidays approaching, in all of your celebration, instead of sabotaging your gut, wouldn't you like to know how to support your gut health and enjoy tasty foods all at the same time? So what foods are good for gut health? When you bake with simple whole foods, that's one of your biggest clues. And everything I'm using today supports a healthy gut microbiome, as long as you don't overeat. So here we go. Let's start with how to cook fresh pumpkin. It's actually really simple. Just take a whole pie pumpkin, pierce it once, place it on a baking sheet, and bake it at 375 degrees for about 45 minutes, and it's done. Half it, scoop out the guts, and spoon out the pumpkin meat when it's cool enough to handle. Now the pie pumpkin is so much smaller than the jack-o'-lantern pumpkin, and it is way more meaty, so it's definitely a preference for baking. However, for this recipe and others, if you prefer to use canned pumpkin, do whatever suits you for sure. Now you have it. And for these cookies, you'll want to mash this up well in a bowl. And if you haven't already, make sure you preheat your oven to 375 degrees. So in your mixing bowl, you're going to place 1 cup of that pumpkin, 1 cup of almond butter or sunflower butter. I prefer these over peanut butter simply due to the high mold content in peanut butter, which is the root cause of food allergens. Then we're going to add a 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 2 drops of cinnamon essential oil. Now, this is for immune boosting and superb flavor. You never use any essential oil that doesn't include a supplement fact label. Safe for internal use. Now, lastly, we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon salt. Then 1 cup of combined whatever you'd like, chopped nuts, raisins, currants, even chocolate chips. I like the nuts and the currants for these cookies. Just fold them in. You can see it's a really, really soft dough. Bake them for 15 to 18 minutes at 375 and look at these wonderful cookies. They're so yummy. Lightly crisp on the outside and chewy on the inside. Give them a try and let me know what you think. Now it's freebie time. You made it through my video, and now I want to give you access to my Happy Gut Desserts ebook, which includes superfoods for gut health, anti-inflammatory desserts, low-carb sugar-free cookies, sugar-free chocolate desserts, easy healthy desserts, no bake, and so much more. It's free and will help you greatly see the positive possibilities on the gut microbiome diet journey. Just go to the link in the description below, put in your email, and it will show up in your inbox shortly. Make sure and check out the other bits of info in that description. Ask your questions or comment below, hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video soon.